interesting findings so far in your research?
We just recently finished a study, and in that study what we actually did was we worked on the data that was collected during movie watching, and we were trying to not understand, we actually did the predictive analysis, in which we are predicting that how can we see what kind of emotions would be in someone's brain based upon whatever he or she is watching now. For example, if I am watching a scary movie, or if I have a scene which is very happy scene, can I predict the next moment what my brain would be thinking? So that is something interesting. And again, right now the data that we have available is for healthy people. Like they were watching a movie, and then we took that data. We have functional images. One of my students, she actually worked on that, and she actually took out the emotions from the movie by watching the movie herself, and then there are a number of other students who watched them, and then we tried to figure out that how the emotions evolved during that movie for all of them, and then we use that emotion evolution and then the scans that we had available from the brain scans, and we predicted the emotions. And the idea is again the same, that if we can predict it for healthy, then maybe we can have someone with Alzheimer's or someone with autism watch the same movie, and then we can see if we can predict what would be happening in their brain also. So that is something very interesting. We are working on writing a paper on that, and we are working on thesis. But the thing that actually is limiting my research is lack of locally available data. I have to rely on the data that is available online, open access data. There are many good databases which are providing open access data, but the issue is that we don't have the facility to take the data based on our own experimental needs. So that is something limiting, but still we have some very interesting studies that are in the progress also, but this is one that we just finished, and we are getting interesting results.